Hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of learningarc.lk. Today I am going to introduce a fun activity you can do with your kids to blend words. They will surely love this activity and will start to like reading words as well. You must be knowing this is a poppet fidget toy. It is a brightly colored silicone tray with pokeable bubbles and they come in a variety of shapes and colors. So these are known to be stress relievers that breaks boredom of your kids. I got this for 540 rupees from Sri Lanka. Now let us see how we can do the blending activity. So what you can do first is take an erasable marker, a whiteboard marker or an erasable platinum. Then write your list of words. So I have written 6 words starting with R sound. So now what we are going to do is we are going to start blending words from top to bottom, left to right. So show the kids how to blend the words by popping each bubble. R, a, t, rat. Next word. R, e, p, rip. Third word. R, a, n, ran. Fourth word. R, e, s, k, risk. Fifth word. R, e, s, t, rest. Last word. R, a, g, rack. I'm pretty sure the kids are going to like it because it involves popping up the bubbles and it is a multisensory technique of word blending. Now I'm going to share another activity idea you can practice with your kids. So as you all know, I go by the phonics letter sounds. So in this poppet fidget toy, I have written the 2 letter groups. The group number 1, s, a, t, e, p, n, and the group 2, k, k, e, r, m. So I have written the first group of letter sounds in the first line and the second group of letter sounds in the second line. So likewise, you can write any number of letter sounds you wish and you can practice the letter sounds with your child. Let's see how we can do the activity. Now, let's ask the child to find out a specific letter sound. Can you find the letter sound T, T? The child takes the magic pointer finger and pops out the letter sound T. Well done, good job, that's right. Okay, let's find another letter sound. This time it is letter sound N. The child pops it out too. Well done, good job, that's right. The next letter sound you have to find is E. E. Brilliant, good work. Okay, last letter sound. It is K. K. Good job, amazing, well done. So this way you can practice the letter sounds with your children, and as I told before, it is a multisensory way of reinforcing the letter sounds with your kids. So they are going to like it so much and it is so much fun. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for much more language development educational videos coming up in the future. Stay safe and goodbye.